Hey, welcome to MaiMoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. Today I'm super excited to review this products right here, which is the magnetic lashes from Bellechloe. Thank you so much for sending this products to me, and I can't wait to share with you my honest opinion. Let's get started. Before we get into the goodies, let's talk about the packaging. I think this is a very nice sleek look for a black cardboard box, and the name of this lashes is Wake Up and Makeup. How cute is that? And there's another layer that we have to open, and there's the directions on the back. Let's open this baby up to review the grand finale. I just really love the packagings because it's really tell you where you're going to place this lashes, because some of the lashes is very hard to know which one is the right and which one is the left, but here it's going to tell you. Also very similar to the bottom left, middle, and bottom right, and I think this is a very great idea. Another thing that I enjoy that this does come with a mirror. It's kind of waste of space if you did not have a mirror, so this is a very legit, and I think this is well done. So I'm going to use this tool to grab my lashes. This is my first time ever trying to have one of this. I usually just use my finger to apply lashes, so this is going to be foreign to me, but I'm going to try my best. So looking at this magnetic strips, there is 3 pieces of magnetic pieces that is attached on there, and I have to be really extremely careful because the strip is really thin and flimsy. And for the bottom part, I also see a magnetic pieces that attaching to each piece. So for this products right here, you apparently don't need a lashes glue at all. It will attach themselves with this magnetic part already attached on there. Interesting. So let's see if this works. So the first step is hold the applicator horizontally and connect each end of the top lashes to the upper prong. It sounds so easy, but seriously, it took forever. So the result should look something like this. The next step is to connect the 2 bottom lashes strip to the upper prong. Note that 2 lashes strips should curve upward and must be aligned. And seriously, this part is difficult when I try to place 3 strips on there. So I just decided to do the middle one and press as closely to my natural lash as possible. Okay, there we go. It's attached themselves already, and then I'm just trying to move it. Okay, it stick on nicely. So earlier I tried 3 pieces all attached together and it did not work effectively, so I'm just going to apply each single pieces, and I'm going to use the help with a tweezers because I found that to be much easier since this product is pretty wide and I can't barely see anything. So I'm going to grab another piece of strip for the bottoms, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to lift it up. Oh, it's attached. There we go. Oh my god, okay, that's a bad idea. Okay, don't do this. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm going to grab another piece and attach it in the corner. I like mine to be really, really close. It looked dangerous, but seriously, using this technique, it is so easy. There we go. Ooh. Oh, that was fast. Wow. Oh my god, instant lift. Ooh. I like that. I'm going to also do to the other side, but this time I'm just going to use a tweezer. I'm going to grab a piece of lashes, and I'm going to try to place the middle part of magnetics right in the middle. Try to align the bottom lashes with the upper lashes, and it will snap right together and it will secure your lashes. I'm also going to apply the same method to the inner corners. Oh, there we go. That was easy. This does take a little bit skills, to tell you the truth. You have to be extremely careful. But once you get it on, it's like it's on. Then I'm going to use the eyelashes curler to merge my real and fake eyelashes together. I'm extremely surprised with the result. Can you see how real it is? Also from the top and on the bottom, it looked like that is my real eyelashes. So after many try and error to apply this magnetic lashes, I got super frustrated and I did not know what I was doing wrong. But I found out the best method to apply this magnetic lashes is through a tweezers. And yes, this product right here really frustrated me. It did not work for me, but it worked for you. I really want to applaud for you because I can barely see what I was doing. Using a tweezers, I can see that both magnetic is actually clipped and attached with my short lashes. Man, there's a real struggle there. So you definitely have to be careful whenever you're using this kind of tweezers, since it's metal, it's going to attach themselves with the magnetics. So be extremely careful whenever you are grabbing to the lashes. Grab that to the tips. Don't grab it near the magnetic because it's going to clip right into your tweezers. After wearing this eyelashes for an hour now, I can include that this lashes felt super light to where you don't feel like you are wearing it at all. But if you are wearing a strip of eyelashes with a glue, it felt totally different because sometimes it really stick to your real eyelashes and it felt uncomfortable. Also, there's another chance that the inner corner of the lashes poke right into your eyes and it hurts so much, and eventually you get teared up and you have to take the whole thing because it does not stick anymore and you have to try to reapply. Such a hassle. This one, it was very convenient. Another thing I want to point out about this magnetic lashes is that even if you cry on your special day, it's not going to fall off. But if you are wearing like eyelashes glue, which happened to me a bunch of times that I cry, is basically like hanging for the life on the edge of glory. This one will stay right into your lashes. And did I try? Did I try? I just go ahead and spray the waters into my eyes and it was magic. I really want to put this lashes into a test to see if it's going to stain water. Instead of crying, because I cannot cry on demand, I will go ahead and spray myself with this water. Oh my gosh, this could be a disaster. But I'm going to do it for you guys. Okay, let's get started. Okay, that's... I don't know, this thing is like broken. Oh my god. I got some water in my mouth. Okay, hopefully I can open my eye. Oh, so my makeup still survived. And let's take a closer look into this false lashes. Oh my gosh, things that I would go through to see if the products work or not. As you can see, my mascara is basically falling apart under my eyes and I have the result of a raccoon eyes. Let's take a look of the lashes. Oh my gosh, it is still there. Oh, that's nice. Oh my gosh, my eye is super red since I spray right into my eyes. Woo. Oh. So my makeup right now is basically ruined, but my lashes still withheld, and that's amazing. Okay, next thing that I want to put through is with air. So I'm going to blow dry to see if it's going to blow away. It's so stunning that the magnetic eyelashes did not move at all. So both of the tests, the result is absolutely amazing. It still stay intact. It did not move at all. And I still look good, although my hair is basically messed up and then my makeup is jacked up. But one thing I know is that the eyelashes is going to be there and I can trust it. Even if I go to a roller coaster or that I'm going to cry like crazy, I still look good. Another pro I want to let you know is that it's applying super fast. Once you get the hang of it, it's like you can do it less than 10 seconds for each eye. And I have tried it worked perfectly. And whenever I applying like false eyelashes with a strip of glue, sometimes it takes me for a good like 15 seconds to 30 seconds, making sure that the glue is dry before I start blinking. So this one, you can blink all you want as long as you apply to the side that it's supposed to go. It works perfectly. Since we already target the pro, let's talk about the cons. Is that I do not like this applicator. It was really hard for me to apply, which is not efficient at all, and it takes so much time that I want to give up. So I decided to switch to its tweezers. So if a company is going to switch to a tweezer form, it's going to be absolutely amazing. And also you definitely want to be aware that don't get the metal tips, because metal attached itself to a magnetics really quick and it's going to get you frustrated. So every single time that I handle the lashes, I had to handle at the tips. So if a company is going to switch this, I would like it more. Another thing that I want to point out is that the strip is ultra thin, which means that it could be a bad and a good thing at the same time. A good thing is that it's making your lashes look super natural. Nobody can tell that you are wearing eyelashes until they basically flip your eye up, and nobody really do that. And the bad thing about is that you have to handle extremely careful, and if you are going to be tough and rough with it, it's going to fall apart right away. Another thing that I want you to be aware with any kind of lashes, if you want to maintain it well and use it multiple times, don't saturate with a mascara, because it's going to cause the lashes to stick together and have a clumps, and it's also going to ruin the shapes. So what you want to do is actually apply mascara on your real eyelashes before you're going to apply a glue eyelashes or magnetic lashes. In conclusion, I would definitely wear this eyelashes again, and it's MaiMoments proof. I would definitely preserve this eyelashes for a special occasions that I know that I'm going to cry, such as graduations, weddings, anniversary, you name it, because I'm such a crier. If there is like something sad or romantic, I'm over here going to cry it out. So majority of the time my eyelashes basically hang out saying hi and waving back and forth, and it's like hanging off the clip. So if I know, I'm just going to put this thing on and I'm going to secure and I'm going to look fabulous even if I cry. I got contacted by these companies and they were generous enough to give out 10% off to my viewer. So if you are thinking about to get these products, definitely use the 10% off with this promotions. Here is MaiMoments, and I hope you found this video helpful. There's another 2 videos waiting for you to click. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for more notifications, and if you have any comments or requests, definitely comment down below and let me know. And make sure to give this video a like because it's going to help my channels. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.